Final video to fix Lethal Company version 16480 error code. And if your game won't launch, let me ask you, are you opening Lethal Company and seeing this error code block to start? This problem usually happens because game files are corrupted, updates didn't install properly, or system settings conflict with the game. Sometimes background apps or antivirus also trigger this issue. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file replacements, complicated registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact game file and update path that causes version 16480 error. This works because it restores proper start communication between Lethal Company and Windows. The method is safe, fast, and works on all setups once you apply it. The game launches normally, the error disappears, and you can play without interruptions. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If this Lethal Company error is blocking your game and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.